rising fast.
I like to be diligent.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Take pictures and get out of here.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Scott Spinucci reporting live from Market Street Bridge. As you can see, the water is starting to come through the aluminum gates here. They are not perfect. They are engineered to take this kind of flow. How much flow can they take is yet to be determined.
And do not arrest me. Hello. Hello.
One of the huge problems. That was the biggest problem. One of the biggest things is, with this design, if something were to hit one of the aluminum doors here, okay, say like a cargo shell, okay, one of the things that you would see that a train would carry, one of those cargo units that are turned into homes now that's so fashionable. If one of those that were floating down the river were to smash into this aluminum-based River Common portal, we would have a major disaster.
Sense that we were blowing water through 5 of these upper portions and we're no longer blowing the water through. Yeah, so
One can tell water is now starting to creep up onto West Market Street here. There's still plenty of concern as the water is now seeping through the barrier on Market Street Bridge. We are certainly not out of the water. Bad news, pun intended, I know, but I can't think of anything else really to say other than to say that we are indeed in a situation that could be perilous for the city of Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania. The broken seals. Engineers are now on site assessing the broken seals of the temporary barriers that are put up along Market Street Bridge. So civil engineer George Albert is on site. He is assessing the damage. He's not very concerned right now, but still keeping a close eye. I'm Scott Spinucci in a deserted Wilkes-Barre where tensions are still high as there is concern that flooding may eventually occur if the levee walls are breached, which are now starting to fail along the seals.
So as that level drops behind the gate, the pressure also will relieve, and then there's less flow coming through.
We're keeping our hopes up and paying attention here in Wilkes-Barre.